Hello, everyone! Would you like to know how to create a professional vlog without the need for filming or video editing? The answer lies in the power of artificial intelligence. Throughout this video, I will reveal the entire process of turning your ideas into a complete vlog using only AI tools. Let's discover this together. The digital age and rapid AI advancements have revolutionized video content production. AI technology, particularly in image and audio generation, has created new opportunities for creators and marketers. AI tools allow us to create high-quality videos quickly and affordably, eliminating the need for costly equipment, studios. AI-generated vlogs have become one of the most popular formats. They are highly effective for tutorials, training, product reviews, and presentations where a virtual avatar can deliver a compelling message. Specialized AI platforms have now made video production accessible to everyone, empowering even those without professional editing skills to produce polished videos fast. Creating a professional vlog typically requires a combination of specialized tools, with each handling a distinct function, rather than relying on a single, all-in-one platform. I use a functional specialization model where each tool is selected for its proficiency in a specific task. After using and experimenting with various options, I found that combining three tools, SnapEdit, TopView.ai, and Microsoft Clipchamp, is an effective strategy for vlog production. Each tool is great at a specific part of the process. For example, SnapEdit is a powerful photo tool made just for automatically removing backgrounds. Its advanced technology makes sure the background is removed with high accuracy, keeping all the small details of the subject. On the other hand, some all-in-one video editors like Clipchamp aren't really built to remove backgrounds from still images well. Users have found that Clipchamp's background removal works best on videos and often has problems with photos. That's why using SnapEdit early on helps make sure your starting images are the best quality. After processing the avatar image, the next step is to use TopView.ai to create the video and have the avatar read the prepared script. TopView is an AI-powered marketing video creation platform. It enables users to produce promotional videos, product introductions, or reviews without ever needing to appear on camera. The platform offers a variety of AI creative tools, including avatar generation and the ability to create talking head videos and product showcases. For this content, I'm using the avatar creation feature. Then, I upload a pre-recorded audio file to generate the talking head video. In cases where users don't want to use their own voice, they can simply type the desired text into the text-to-speech box, and TopView will convert the text into a voice and integrate it into the video.
Vietnam National University, Hanoi. In the AI fair and panel,
Once the talking head video with a green screen background is ready, I will use Microsoft Clipchamp to remove the background and composite a fitting image. Clipchamp is a user-friendly video editor with many valuable functions available in its free version.
this is Nguyễn Thị Hải Hà from University of Languages and International Studies, Vietnam National University, Hanoi. In the AI fair and panel at Teacher France 2025 this November.
Thank you for watching. I hope the insights on creating a vlog with these three AI tools will empower you on your content creation journey.